So when I told you people that you can make money by just inviting people, you can make over $20 on Poppo, a lot of people think I am joking. First, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. Hi guys, hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Yes, you can make money on Poppo by inviting people. And the good part I love about Poppo, if you know you don't have anything to do, or if you're a YouTuber, start inviting people. Put this link in your description if you're a Poppo person. And if you've not subscribed on Poppo before, if you have not joined Poppo, you can click on my link and check it. You can see that within the past 7 days, this is how much I've been able to make by just inviting people. Over 200,000 reward that I've been able to claim. And this income came just within the period of 7 days. Okay, so imagine you making money by playing some little tax and at the same time making money for just inviting people. You can see a lot of people that have been able to invite as well, and most of these people, I did not just go to their door and start knocking and said, oh, you must come and join Poppo. No, I just told them basically this is what they need to do. I say it in my video and then I put the link in my description, and of which you too, you can do the same thing. Don't rely on only one social media platform for you to be able to make money. Okay, to everyone you invite, you're supposed to have $14, but this $14 is how Poppo split it, and I did a detailed video how you will know how Poppo split it, and of which you can see some of them here, which is how to invite, how to earn, and everything you are going to earn. I don't want this video to be too long, and just go into it and read about it. And if you want to join Poppo, use my link in the description if you have not joined before. Let me know that, Sonia, please, I want to start making money as well so that we can join hands together and make money. Anyways, since you have seen my proof, because why I actually did this video is because someone said it's a lie, you cannot make money by inviting people on Poppo. And finally, you have seen my proof, you have seen how much I've been able to make. And then if you want to withdraw, it is very easy. You go to your points. Once you go to your points, you link either your local bank account or any means that you want to use for withdrawal. There are a lot of withdrawal means there. Right now, you can see that I'm withdrawing with my local bank account. But if I click on this modify button, setting button, you can see that they have ePay, USDT, Binance, and yeah, different method of payment that can actually be okay for you. Okay, and the good part again I love about this Poppo is when you want to withdraw, they will give you the rate. Like me that I'm using the local bank accounts now, when I want to withdraw, they'll give me 1,513 naira. Yeah, it's not really equal to the black market rate, but it is something to be grateful for. So go and start inviting people now and thank me later. Don't just sit there and rely on just one platform. My main aim here is to bring everything that will actually bring money down to your table from the comfort of your home. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. If you'll be joining Poppo, let me know in the comment section using my link, and I'll be able to walk you through in some of these steps. And I did a lot of videos, tutorials that I can actually use. This is actually another means of my income, and I decided to share with you guys. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.